your name?
My name is Lena.
Oh, yeah, correct. Lena. How old are you?
I'm
How old are you?
8 years old.
Yes. Bao nhiêu tuổi? How old are you, right? How are you today, Lena? How are you today?
I'm happy.
Yes. Are you good? Feeling good? Are you hungry? No. Are you thirsty? No. Ready?
Yes.
Let's start with the vocabulary, Lena. Speak loudly, okay? Let's start. What is it?
This is
This is.
This
This is.
is
A
turtle.
turtle. Next, this is.
This is
Say, this is.
this is
Yes.
a
A
duck.
job. Next.
This is a bird.
Good. Wow. Perfect. Next, that
That
is. Summertime.
that
Is.
is a
Desk.
desk. That is a
Board.
board.
Yes, correct. Next. This is.
This is a
Called.
computer. This is a trash
Can.
can.
Trash can. Next, what can you do? I can. Can.
And
Jug.
juggle.
Juggle. Next, what can you do? I
I
can.
can
Skateboard. Good. Next, beginning sound. Letter A. Letter I. Sounds. Iguana. 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 Letter I sounds I. Iguana. Letter A sounds. What is this? Ant. Next letter. What happened to you? Lana, letter N sounds. No. Good. Letter L. L sounds. What is this? Light. Okay. Next. Letter Zipper. Letter J. J sounds. Juice. Good. Juice. Now let's read. Throw away the trash. Where is it? Throw away the trash. Yes, correct. Next. Where is it? Yes, correct. Next. Fish. Feed. Feed the fish. Good. Next. Brush. Brush. Okay, good job. Now let's move on. Oh, look, a lot of animals. What animal do you like? What animal? What do you like? You like? Elephant. So how many feet? How many feet? That's it. 4 feet. Okay, what about how many eyes? 2 eyes. 2 eyes. Okay, say goodbye to the teacher.
Goodbye, teacher.
Goodbye, Lega. See you again.